Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can disconnect your Facebook from your Instagram. If you have connected your Instagram and Facebook together, or like both of them are linked, by following the step they will be unlinked. And remember, if they are unlinked, then some of the facilities like your messenger being linked or the messages being linked, they will be disconnected as well. And you need to chat with people separately for Facebook and Instagram, and post pictures and videos separately as well. These are the features you need to remember. Now, let me show you how to disconnect your Facebook. Before I show you the steps, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide everybody. Let's move on. First step, after opening your Instagram, you want to click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the profile picture at the bottom right, it's going to bring you to your Instagram profile. Once you're in your Instagram profile, at the top right corner, you can see the 3 line, which is also known as the hamburger menu. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, the first option where it says settings, you want to click on settings. Now, once you're inside your settings, you want to scroll a bit down until you see the account center option. Now, it's going to be blue highlighted saying account center. You want to click on account center. Now, once you're inside your account center, where it says account setting, you can see the accounts option right below account setting. Click on accounts and all the Facebook account and all the other stuff which is linked with your Instagram is going to be shown over here. So my Facebook is only linked, that's why it's only showing my Facebook. Now, in order to remove my Facebook, I can just click on remove right beside Facebook. And over here, click on remove account. Click on continue. Click on yes, remove Vichy Kevin. Once I do that, my Facebook account will be disconnected with my Instagram. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can disconnect your Facebook from Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.